This is the latch. Just pull it on the inside, and then you should be able to pull this back. This little blue guy is what's holding onto the paper so that we can pull out the paper. Push this up. The paper should come out now. When we bring this down, there are two little black fingers, one here and one here. They need to be widened, and then this piece will come up. Kind of a two-handed job. Make sure there's nothing inside here. Close. Look down inside there. Make sure nothing's down inside there, no paper. Make sure your blue tab is back down, and then close this guy back up. Listen for the click. Bring your paper back around. Make sure your cut line is good. If you rip it with your hands, you can sometimes screw it up. Feed this guy inside there a little bit. And then over here you've got a force feed button. It's this little guy right here. Log in. Sorry for my shaky hands. Go to 2 for diagnostics. Go to shaky hands. 6 for printer. Go to 2 for reset. Reset any terminal errors that you might have. And then exit. And if you need to run your reports, you can definitely run the reports again.